Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Just a small harvest today. Might be all for this week. I might have some more, I don't know. I pulled some more potatoes, new potatoes. I don't think I'll be preserving these because I know we're going to have some for tea anyway. Pulled a few more onions I won't be preserving. My tomatoes have started to ripen, so I've brought a few in. My red currants, I've just picked a few of them, and I'll be washing them and then freezing them until I've got enough to do a red currant jelly. Bramble blackberries, I've taken Mason for a walk today and some of them are ripe on the bushes, so I've pulled a few. And I'm going to do exactly the same with these, wash them down and then freeze them until I've got enough for a jam or whatever. Those are some pears that have come off my tree at the front that it's got quite a few on this year, but those I could reach and these were ready. So in about a week's time I'll probably get Lurch to pick the rest of them for me. And I've got some couple of runner beans and some dwarf French beans and some cobra beans, and they're going up towards tea tonight. So yep, this won't take me that long, whereas last week it was a long haul job with the garlic and onion dehydrating. But that's today, and today is Monday. Thank you. Bye.
It's a